Welcome to Judge Zone, where excuses mean nothing and accountability hits hard. Today, a husband demanding spousal support while handing out $10,000 weekly allowances, and a teen mom who abandoned her newborn while hiding $50,000. Two cases, zero accountability. Let's get into it.
All right. Looks like Mr. Clark, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm married and not happy about my wife going out all the time. Girls' night seems like every other weekend. When we try to do something romantic, she's like, I prefer to go out with my girls, happy hour. So I'm suspecting she's cheating.
Okay. So because she is with her girls and not spending as much time with you, you think she's cheating?
Yeah.
A married man walks into court with a bombshell confession. His wife chooses girls' night over romance every single time. He says he's getting no attention, no affection, and he's had enough. Is she cheating, or is this marriage collapsing under insecurity? The courtroom is about to find out.
I text her while she's out, she don't respond. I ask her, send a picture where you are so I can see what's going on with the post on social media. I don't get any type of messages. So, I'm kind of insecure with why we're not having anything in our relationship happen the way it's supposed to as a married couple.
Okay. You all still live in the same home?
Yes, we do.
Do you have any children?
No.
Okay. You see her every day?
Yeah.
Do you try to discuss it with her then?
She don't want to hear it.
He begged for a photo, a post, anything. Silence. Standing before a judge, this husband unravels in real time, exposing his deepest insecurities. His marriage is crumbling, and the woman he loves won't even send a single message back. She won't even go into the kitchen to talk. Something is very wrong.
She don't go in the kitchen to talk. That's where I expect her to be, where I can corner her, but she don't talk. So
all right.
I got things to do. I got errands to run, so I let her be so I'm not like smothering her. But when it comes down to playing the role to reservations, my girlfriends. So.
Okay. Have you ever confronted her about cheating on you?
No.
All right. It looks like you came because you're wanting to get some sort of spousal maintenance from her.
He admits he corners her in the kitchen just to get her to speak. She avoids every conversation, dodges every moment, and chooses her girlfriends over him every single time. This husband is desperate, frustrated, and running out of options. But here's the twist. He's asking for spousal maintenance from his own wife.
Yeah, because we're pretty much done. There's nothing happening in our relationship intimate-wise. So, I pay all the bills, 2 cars. She don't pay no gas in the car. So, I need her to either get going or tell me what's really going on.
All right. You pay all the bills, you say. So you make more money than her?
Yes.
Do you know where she is? Have you talked to her at all? Is she with the girls right now while court is going on?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
He pays every bill. 2 cars. Everything covered. Yet his marriage is emotionally bankrupt. He wants answers. He wants intimacy. And now he wants out, but only on his terms. The judge listens closely as he describes a marriage that exists in name only. Something has to give today.
Well, if you're the one making more money, I don't see how I could honor your request to get spousal maintenance.
Well, she gets an allowance.
All right.
So I want that back.
You want your allowance back?
Yes.
How much of an allowance are you giving her?
I give her $10K a week.
$10,000 a week?
Yeah.
Man, where you work? I'm obviously in the wrong profession. Yeah. Okay.
$10,000 every single week as an allowance. The courtroom reacts instantly, and even the judge can't hide her shock. This man is paying more per week than most people earn in months, and now he wants every dollar back. Who exactly is this man?
So, you got her served to be here today.
Yes.
You do realize that if she were to come to court and ask for spousal maintenance from you, she would probably get it, right?
Most likely, yes.
So you still want to go through?
Yep.
Okay. Are you just doing this because you're mad at her?
Yep.
Well, Mr. Clark, you don't just come to court and file something and ask for a request without the grounds just because you're mad.
Well,
I can empathize with you being mad.
Because I want her attention. So in the court, there's mediation, and she'll know I'm serious.
The judge asked the question everyone is thinking. Did you file this case just because you're angry? Without hesitation, he says yes. The honesty freezes the room. He doesn't want money. He wants his wife's attention, and he thought court would force her to listen.
Well, yeah, so yes and no, right? So you don't want to file a lawsuit to necessarily get your spouse's attention because you're not getting the affection that you're looking for. You can threaten her with a lawsuit, or you can draft one out and show it to her, but to actually have her serve, set it for a hearing, that kind of takes up my time for somebody who really needs to be in here. So it's a waste of resources. I mean, I get what you're saying. I'm married myself, so I definitely understand what you're saying.
Yes. The judge delivers a blunt reality check. You cannot weaponize this courtroom to get your spouse's attention. She explains it clearly, firmly, and without sympathy. This is not marriage counseling. Real people with real emergencies need this court. His manipulation is officially exposed and shut down.
This is just not the right resource to get her attention. Does that make sense?
Kind of.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do, Mr. Clark. We're going to dismiss your case.
Dismiss the case?
We're going to dismiss it. You do not have grounds to ask for spousal maintenance. You're the breadwinner. You just said you pay all the bills. You give her a $10,000 allowance a week. You don't qualify for spousal maintenance. You have to prove that you do not have the resources to meet your minimum needs.
Okay.
Case dismissed. Just like that, the gavel drops and the husband has nothing left to say. He pays all the bills, gives a $10,000 weekly allowance, and still has zero legal grounds for spousal maintenance. The judge makes that crystal clear.
We both know that you do, just based off what you said you do.
Right.
So, yeah, I would have to dismiss your case.
Yeah. Nothing else I can say then.
No, but you know, I thank you for coming to see me, right?
Thank you.
But I also recommend that the two of you seek some sort of counseling, marital counseling. Okay?
Nah, we're beyond marital counseling.
Okay, well.
The judge offers one final lifeline, marriage counseling, a chance to say what's left. He shuts it down immediately, saying the marriage is beyond saving. The finality in his voice is chilling. A relationship that began with love has collapsed into court filings and money no one appreciates anymore.
If you decide to come to court and file for divorce, right?
Yes.
You can do that, but just not with the spousal maintenance part attached. I could foresee her saying she would like to have spousal maintenance. So yeah, I have to dismiss your request on that.
Okay.
All right?